Hey everyone, Dr. Crank here at Waco Animal Hospital, and today we're going to be talking about dog allergies.
All right, Dr. Crank, how can you tell if my dog has allergies?
So a lot of times the most common things that we are going to see is your dog has been scratching, losing hair, has red skin, chewing at their feet, scratching their ears. Those are generally the most common types of things that we'll see.
So, how common are allergies in dogs?
They're a lot more common than you would think. As far as if your dog is scratching, if it's something that's occasional, that's pretty normal. But your dog should not be scratching nonstop. That is not a normal thing. And so it is something that we see generally at least a couple of patients a day that are going to have some type of allergy that we diagnose.
So, what are the symptoms of allergies in dogs?
Most of the time it's going to be scratching, shaking their head, overall just discomfort as far as their skin or ears go, and just seeming to have a redness to them as well.
So, what is a contact allergy in dogs?
So a contact allergy is whenever your dog touches something that they have an allergic reaction to. A lot of times that can be something that's on the floor, like if you use a certain cleaner, or even just like in people, they can be allergic to certain laundry detergents. And so it's something they have touched that allows them to actually break out.
How can you tell if my dog has a food allergy?
So food allergies are fairly common. It is something that will go over the detailed history, see if your dog has had skin and ear issues before, and then we will also go over what the diet normally is for your dog. But usually it's going to be based upon the history and then also doing a food trial. So just switching your food around, it's not going to be something that's going to be an instant change. It takes a good 8 to 12 weeks for your dog to actually have all those proteins taken out of their system, and basically seeing if your dog will respond. So just switching your dog's food up, using over-the-counter dog foods, that's not really going to cut it. It's usually a prescription type dog food, and they have to be on this food trial for 8 to 12 weeks solely before we can say, yeah, your dog does have a food allergy.
So, do dogs suffer from seasonal allergies?
They do. So most of the time it's going to be spring, fall, but some animals also have problems all year long. And so they will have those allergies, just like whenever we have sinus infections and our watery eyes and snotty nose, they will most of the time have an ear infection that comes up, or they'll be scratching at their belly or chewing their paws.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.